2026 Honda CD, full video review script Urdu, Roman Urdu. Bike review, layman-friendly plus technical mix. Intro book, Assalamu alaikum dosto. Aaj hum baat karne ya rahe hain 2026 Honda CD key. EKIC bike jo Pakistan or South Asia mine reliability. Fuel average hour daily use ke liye legend samji jati hai. Agar aapki cam karcha, ziyada faida. Our long-term use wali bike dhoondh rahe hain, TV video off ke liye hai. Chaliye dekhein 2026 Honda CD mine kiya naya hai. Performance kaisi hai. Our kiya aaj ke time mine be worth it hai ya nahi. 1. Overview. Honda CD 2026 kiya hai. Honda CD series hamisha say simple, durable और economical bikes ke liye mashhoor rahe hai. 2026 model mine Honda name minor design refresh, improved fuel efficiency, our better ride comfort car focus kiya hai. TAAK daily commuters ko ziyada sukun mil sake. Ye bike specially bani gaya hai. Rosanna office ya school jane walan ke liye. Delivery our business use ke liye. Unlogon ke liye jo low maintenance chot hain. 2. Engine and performance. A flat bot kart hain performance key. Jo Honda CD ka sab say strong point high. Engine specs expected. Engine type 4-stroke, air-cooled, single cylinder. Engine capacity 70cc, 100cc, 125cc. Market variant car depend. Transmission 4-speed manual. Start system kick plus self-start selected variants. Performance experience Honda CD 2026 smooth acceleration offer party high. V-bike speed monster nahi high. Lekin city riding ke liye bilkul perfect high. Traffic mine bike stable feel hodi high our clutch car response soft high. Jo beginners ke liye be easy high. Top speed ziyada matter nahi kardi. Lekin daily use ke liye power bilkul sufficient high. 3. Fuel average. Honda CD car real hero feature. Agar fuel average op key priority high. To Honda CD op code disappoint nahi kardi. Expected fuel average 55 to 65 km per liter normal city use. Highway par aki riding k soft hour b begar ho sakti high. Aaj k menge petrol k door mine. Ye bike paisa baki wali machine high. 4. Design and styling. Honda CD 2026 ka design simple lekin practical high. Design highlights. Classic fuel tank shape. Updated graphics our new color options. Comfortable single seat, the long seat variant. Strong metal body, plastic cam use ki gaya high. Ye bike show off ke liye nahi. Ba ke long term rough use ke liye design ki gaya high. Gaun ho ya shahar, Honda CD har jaga chal jati high. 5. Comfort and ride quality. Honda ne comfort par biaka kam kiya high. Soft suspension, speed breakers our rough roads par help karta high. Upright riding position, kamar our shoulders par load cam. Lightweight, bike control karna asan. Chahe op daily 10 km chalate hunya 50 km, ride the khan cam dedi high. 6. Braking and safety. Safety basic high, lekin reliable. Drum brakes front and rear. Stable handling at normal speeds. Strong frame jo weight easily handle karta high. Ye bike racing ke liye nahi, is liye braking be simple our effective rocky gay high. 7. Maintenance and reliability. Jahan Honda CD sab say ziyada shine karti high. Spare parts har jaga available. Local mechanics easily repair car leet hain. Engine life bohat long hodi high. Resale value strong reti high. Agar op bike ko salan tak chalana chot hain bin attention k, Honda CDEK safe choice high. 8. Unique selling points USP. Honda CD 2026 ko special banan wali cheesan. Outstanding fuel average, extremely low maintenance cost, proven Honda reliability, excellent resale value, perfect for daily commuters and business use. Ye bike unlogon ke liye hai jo bike ko tool samich hain, toy nahi. 9. Price 2026 Honda CD expected. Expected price Pakistan market. Honda CD 70 2026 160,000 Pakistani rupees 175,000. Honda CD 100 125 2026 200,000 Pakistani rupees 230,000. Prices city, taxes our variant ke hisab se thora par nich ho sakti hain. 10. Final verdict. Kya Honda CD 2026 leni chahi. Agar op, fuel saving chot hain. Daily reliable ride dhoondh rahe hain. Cam maintenance our strong resale value chot hain. To 2026 Honda CD Oj Bek Smart our practical choice high. Ye bike flashy nahi, lekin kam ki cheese high, our kai logon ke liye ye high sab say important ho to hay. Outro. Agar op ko ye review pasand aaya ho to video ko like, channel ko subscribe, our comments mine batain k op Honda CD k con say model ko prefer karte hain. Milt hain next video mine, Allah Hafiz. Agar op chahan to main is script k soth YouTube SEO title, description, keywords, hashtags our tags be bana deta hun thumbs up.